We are at the border. Ay, ayun na nga. Ano lang duty free nila, ha? This one, no? Duty and tax free shop. Ayan. Hindi makita. Madilim. Madilim. May ano. Ulan. Maulan ang aming ano punta sa Seattle. What is it, Nate?
Mom ran over a speed bump again.
You hit your eyeball.
Sorry, ga.
You hit your eyeball. Why are you doing your makeup, Nate? Oh, another speed bump, Nate. Boom. Another speed bump. Speed bump.
Oops, di na open.
Welcome to the United States of America. Continue on I-5 South for 37 kilometers.
We are at the border. Isang ano lang? Isang lane lang? That's good.
Anong that's good na traffic kung isa lang?
No, ang number ni Kuya nga early pa. Tapos like, that's good eh. Kaya early pa ta.
Wala masyado siguro. Tiga ulan.
Yeah.
Bawal ko lang.
Point your card here. I think it was
For
us.
citizens.
Now we're next. Stop. Okay, nakalabas na tayo ng ano, Canada. Ayun o.
Hindi pala naman may ano po. Ay. Don't exit.
Stay on south. Exit na yun. Okay, welcome to USA.
Turn right onto King Street, then turn right.
Oh, right, then turn right. Ang ating first stop. First stop.
Hindi niya mga McDonald's.
Yeah.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
First stop for ano, for breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Your destination is on the left.
Stop there. Hindi ka magana.
Dali lang.
Okay, backing ka. Maulan ngayon. Maulan yung aming punta sa US. Pero daan muna kami dito para kumain. Ta!